Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we talked about what a Bitbucket is and how we can create a Bitbucket account. In this video, we will talk about how we can generate an SSH key and how we can add that SSH key for our Bitbucket account. So before we go ahead and do that, let me tell you why we need to generate is if we wanted to set up an CI/CD tool inside Bitbucket, then we have to generate SSH key and we have to enable multi-factor authentication for our GitHub account, not GitHub Bitbucket account. That is why we have to generate and add that SSH key inside our Bitbucket account. To generate the SSH key, what we have to do is first thing we need to set up the default identity, and for that there is a command ssh-keygen, which is a Windows command, and that is also going to work for Mac as well as Linux command. We will find the SSH key over here inside our C drive. We will be able to see that as well. And here are the complete steps that you can get how to generate for Mac, Linux and Windows account. So let's quickly do that. So here is our Bitbucket account which we left in the previous video. If you are not logged in, you can just go ahead and log in. And once you are logged in inside your Bitbucket account, just click on your name over here and then click on personal settings. It is going to take you to the personal settings page where you can have multiple things. In this video, we are going to focus on this SSH keys under security. You just need to click on add key. If you click on add key, you will be seeing that here we have got generate an SSH key. There is the option or the link which is going to give you the link. If you click here, it will be opening into the new window, the same key or not key, the same link which I have mentioned in the PPT. If you see over here, this is the command that we need to run ssh-keygen, and then once it is generated, what we need to do is we need to copy this file and then add inside our Bitbucket account. So let's quickly do that. To do that, we need to open command prompt because this walkthrough is for Windows. If you are using Linux or Mac, you can just scroll down and follow these steps to set up inside a Linux and Mac OS. If you still face any issues, please feel free to reach out to me. So the very first command is we need to run ssh-keygen. As soon as we will run, it is saying generating public read write. I have already generated. It is asking me, okay, it is saying me that which location we need to save. You see here, this is the same location we talked about where we can find our file. We'll go ahead, hit enter. Now it is asking me saying that this file is already existing. Do you want to override? Yes. Click. If you wanted to provide the passphrase, you can provide. I'm not going to provide anything, and that's done. The key is generated. Now we don't need to do anything. Okay. Now where we can find it? We can just navigate to the same location where we had. So we will go to C drive, users, your name, and then go to .ssh folder, and here you find id_rsa.pub. This is the file we need. Just right click on this file, edit with the file, and I'm going to reload this, okay, and just copy this complete thing. Get back to your Bitbucket account, and here you can type, you can say that default public key, or you can say anything, default public key, and paste it over here. Now you are done. You can just go ahead and click on add key. Now what we have done is we have added the default key for our account. Now we wanted to make sure that if the key has been added or not. To do that, you need to run a very simple command is ssh-t git add bitbucket.org. So this is the command that we need to run. Go to your command prompt and then paste that command, hit enter. Now it is saying that logged in as GIT, you can access GIT connect to Bitbucket, cell access is disabled. Basically we are in Windows, that is why cell access is disabled. Now if we wanted to make sure that if this connection is working fine or not, what you can try is you can go to your project and then under the first project you can create a repository and then try to clone it. I will leave this up to you if you want to do that. If not, then I'll show you into the coming videos. So this is it for this video. Thank you for your time, and we will meet into the next video where we are going to enable two-factor authentication for our Bitbucket account. Thank you.